conversation is so boring. Heard about what? I hate her, I don't agree. I did it first, I give a fuck. I just want fun, peace, sleep, love, happy. Can you make me happy? Can you keep me happy? Can you distract me?
Don't prove me wrong, prove you right. Don't prove me wrong, prove you right. My word is bond, we don't spit no lies. A daughter of the sunshine, but every blue moon I come alive at night. I like lace and I like braids, but I love my natural edges laid from the east side, building on the west coast. My high tolerance for pain don't mean I'ma take you. All them fake followers ain't gon' like your pics. I rep the water bearer sign, but all the elements live rent free in my mind. Moody. 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 Oh, you big Moody. I crave love and attention, but I keep everybody at a distance. If I build it, will y'all really come? Bought all these panties, but I really don't wear none. I like boys and I like girls, but I love my baby. Some may judge, but Emmanuel is still God within me. Yeah. I don't drink liquor, but it's something about a champagne toast. Still can't swim, but I sure could float. I rip the water bearer sign, but all the elements live rent free in my mind. Yeah. Moody. 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 Just pulled up to the house, don't feel like getting out. I'ma just lay back and crack this window. I've been doing my best, taking a moment to rest, feeling stressed out. Give it a good, I put that on God when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go home with that broke mentality. Jump on jealousy, my bad. Get away from me, 'cause I've been working all day. Can a nigga catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, better way. Oh, way. Mom and dad's only daughter, do I make you proud? Writing my life in lyrics, do you like the sound? Seeking approval constantly. When it's my truth I own, I speak, it don't make sense now. Give it a good, yeah. Put that on good when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go pull with that jump off my back. 'Cause I've been working all day. Can a nigga catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. 'Cause I've been working all day. Can a nigga catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, nigga catch a break. Better way. Oh, hey.
When I go with confidence, when I go with roll our hips and take a sip on it, take a trip on it. When I go, you can go slow, wind it up all night. Baby, take your time, let me know what I want. When you turn me around, what I want. When the neighbors yell turn down, we keep it going like bum bum bum. Roll it back then rotation, cigarettes and that season, shine bright as that season. Girl, you know you are a jam 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 jam, jam 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 jam, jam 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time. Jam 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 jam, jam 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 jam, jam 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time. We know like me, we know shine bright like royalty. We know stay keep a dignity and wine. So kind of your neck is stolen. You been waiting on me to solve it, solve it, solve it for me. And last weekend you had me thinking, almost kicked in and lift my head up like bum bum bum. Roll it back then rotation, cigarettes and that season, shine bright as that season. Girl, you know you are a jam 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 jam, jam 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 jam, jam 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time. Jam 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 jam, jam 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 jam, jam 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time. Can't you, can't you? Yeah, you make me feel like we could do. Oh, you make me feel like we could do it all over again, all over again. Can't you, can't you? Yeah, you make me feel like we could do. Oh, you make me feel like we could do it all over again, all over again. Jam 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 jam, jam 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 jam, jam 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time. Jam 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 jam, jam 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 jam, jam 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time. Sounding like you're wasting every time. We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. You like the fast life, you like to drive and get down and dirty, act like the bad guy. You want some love, be like when you feel like calling at midnight. You got the best of me, you got me losing sleep. I've been hopeful, baby.
Alright, YouTube family, so as you guys can see, hubby was in the kitchen whipping it. But y'all, I forgot to show y'all the outcome because, you know, hubby don't know how to record for real. He just be in there just doing what he do and don't be paying attention to the camera. But he made me some food, and this was what was 2 bowls, and it's gone. So it was good, okay? So now your girl is at work, and I'm over here debating on taking my hair out. I know I just redid my edges, but I want to take my braids out, and I want to put my wig on for a few days, and then I want to braid my hair again. But when I braid my hair again, I'm going to do me some really, really small braids like this right here. I'm going to put the picture in right there, but like that. I think I want to braid me some braids that little. That'll do me some good, because then they'll really hold for a while. And maybe they won't slide out, because see, my hair fine in the back. So whenever I do braids, they always slide right on out. So yeah, it never holds. But we'll see. I don't know what else I'm going to do for y'all today. I'll probably clean my bathroom and show y'all that in a little bit. So, well, for y'all, it's going to be a second. Y'all going to see me cleaning the bathroom, like, right after this. But for me, it's a while because, like I said, I'm at work. So, I'll see y'all later. Bye.
I was hoping maybe they would cross my path. I've been sinking lately, and it's hard to move. Think I'm stuck on you. We're in transits, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances, empty-handed? I wonder, would you love me better if I go? I'm not home. I wonder, can we trust the stars above to let us know? I'd go. We only get this life, no guarantees and stars align. Follow your passion trail and try to keep an open mind. Hiding it by myself, no guarantees you'll find me. Said if it's faith you'll find me, leaving the past behind. We're in transits, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances, empty-handed? I wonder, would you love me better if I go? I'm not home. I wanna know, can we trust the stars about to let us know? I'd go.